Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of next-gen connectivity to break down the differences between 5G and 6G. Buckle up, because it's about to get futuristic. First up, this is the fifth generation of mobile networks. It brings faster speeds, reduced latency, and greater capacity compared to 4G. Imagine downloading a full HD movie in seconds. With 5G, we're talking peak speeds of up to 10 Gbps and latency as low as 1 millisecond. This means smoother streaming, seamless gaming, and more reliable internet for all those connected devices in your smart home. But what about? While 5G is still rolling out globally, researchers are already working on the sixth generation. 6G aims to take everything 5G offers and crank it up several notches. We're anticipating speeds of up to 1 Tbps, that's 1,000 times faster than 5G. And latency? Practically non-existent. We're talking microsecond level latency, which is insanely quick. So how does this translate to real-world applications? With 5G, we're seeing the rise of smart cities and advancements in autonomous vehicles. It's enabling more reliable IoT connections and enhancing virtual and augmented reality experiences. 6G, on the other hand, is expected to revolutionize fields like healthcare with real-time remote surgeries and offer truly immersive extended reality experiences. Think of it as bringing the digital and physical worlds even closer. Now, let's talk about spectrum. 5G operates primarily in the sub-6 GHz and mmWave frequencies, offering a good balance between speed and coverage. But 6G, it's expected to utilize even higher frequencies like terahertz waves, which can carry more data but have shorter range. This means we'll need more advanced infrastructure like dense networks of small cells and innovative antenna technologies. But here's the kicker. 6G isn't just about speed and latency, it's also about intelligence. Researchers are working on integrating AI and machine learning directly into the network, making it capable of self-optimizing and even predicting user needs. Imagine a network that adjusts itself in real time to provide the best possible experience no matter where you are or what you're doing. So there you have it, folks, with 5G and 6G. As we move forward, these technologies will not only change how we communicate, but also how we interact with the world around us. Exciting times ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay connected.